how are you? Today we're going to continue with the same chapter, chapter 8, that is about human populations. Okay, but today we're going to know how to use those terms to calculate or measure population changes. So, just as an introduction or review to remember, we studied last class about growth rate, that is the number of birds per 1,000 individuals in a population per year. So it's the number of birds. Growth death rate, the number of deaths per 1,000 individuals, okay? Then we have the natural increase, that is the rate of human growth. And how do you calculate natural increase? Growth birth rate less growth death rate, okay, over 10. Then double time, that is the time in years that it takes for a population to double in size. And total fertility rate, that is the average number of children each woman has over lifetime, okay? So today we're going to know and learn how to use that data to calculate. We're going to complete this to-do activity with me, okay? So from figure 8.1.2, we have this figure in here. So what kind of information do we have? First, population of the Earth. Number of people living worldwide since 1700s in billions. So we have 1700s and then we have 2048, about 2000. So we have a prediction there, right? So from now, we need to know what the table is asking us, okay? We need to calculate the doubling time from 1 to 2 billion. What is the population from 2 to 4 billion? Because that is doubling time, the amount of population that is going to increase by double in different years, okay? And 4 to 8 billion. So the first one, 1 to 2 billion, that is the first doubling time, 1 to 2 billion. Let's see. From 1, we have to use a ruler or something and see where does it reach. And we have an 1804 about, because it's not exactly, okay? And then the second billion was reached in 1927. So 1804, 1927, 1 to 2 billion. And then how do I see the number of years? You have to subtract 1927 less 1804, then you get the number of years, okay? That in total is 123 years. Then the second one, 2 to 4 billion. Let's check 2. We have 1927 again. 4 billion 1974. So between 1927 and 1974 we have to write those years in here, and then we have 2 to 4 years, right? What is the amount of years that for that doubling time? We have to subtract 1974 less 1927, and the answer is 47 years. We have to write 47 years in here. Now, the last one, 4 to 8 billion. Let's check. 4 billions of people. It was 1974. Now, 8 billion, we haven't reached that yet, but it's a prediction in 2024 again. So you have to write from 1974 to 2024 in here. And then the population is 4 to 8 billion. And the number of years is the subtraction, 2024 less 1974. And then you're going to get 50 years. I want you to show you the answers in this part. So as you can see, these are the answers. For 1 to 2 billion, to 2 to 4 billion, for 4 to 8 billion, and the years of doubling time and the years, okay? So that is the first how to resolve a doubling time using the data that we have available on one graph.